T-Mobile Prepaid and Metro by T-Mobile have both discontinued the 100 gigabyte mobile internet plan. Hi there, I'm Cherie with the Mobile Internet Resource Center. And back in December, T-Mobile launched new mobile internet plans, and our top pick option was a 100 gigabyte for $50 per month option that was available for prepaid, postpaid, and the prepaid brand Metro by T-Mobile. As of last week, however, the prepaid and the Metro by T-Mobile have been removed from their websites and replaced with a 50 gigabyte for $50 per month plan. Now, these plans were available for mobile hotspot devices like the M2000 or any of the other T-Mobile hotspot devices that are out there on the market, or any unlocked hotspot device from other carriers. Now, of course, other carriers' hotspots might not be compatible with all of T-Mobile's frequency bands, and also for cellular embedded routers like Pepwave, Cradlepoint, MoFi, and or InstaConnect. Great option for getting a usable amount of mobile internet data on a mobile device authorized for usage at full high speeds for the entirety of that plan. Now, at this time, the plan is still available on T-Mobile Postpaid, and this is really caveated here. It is available now. We don't know, however, for how much longer. When these plans came out in December, T-Mobile was clear to specify that this was a limited time offer, and the prepaids have now been retired, and those who had those plans will be grandfathered in, but we don't know for how much longer the postpaid option will be available. So if this was a plan that has been on your radar, or if this video is bringing it on your radar and you want to get it in your mobile internet arsenal, we do recommend that it might be wise to go lock in this plan now before it's too late. This plan could continue to go on indefinitely, or it could be retired at any moment. We had absolutely no notice on the prepaid options being retired. Now, unlike the prepaid options, T-Mobile Postpaid, they have never published these mobile internet plans to their website. It's now been over 3 months, and we don't know why they haven't done it, but they are not available on their website. If you go searching for it, you won't find it. But if you contact T-Mobile directly, you can use their online chat, you can call them, or you can go to a T-Mobile store. Representatives can find this plan and get you activated on it. If you have a device, they can set up that IMEI, send you out a SIM card. If you have a blank T-Mobile SIM card, they can activate that SIM card remotely. And if you don't have a device yet, it seems it's possible that they can just send you a SIM card and you can do the activation later. The SIM cards are swappable between data devices, so you're not locking in the plan to any specific device. So it's a very great plan for that. And once you have it locked in, you should be able to keep it for as long as you keep the plan paid and active, even if they do retire the plan. And at present time, this is one of our top pick plans on T-Mobile. It is one of the only options out there to get 100 gigabytes of legit data-only device usage on routers and hotspots that you can get on any of the carriers, and it's just $50 per month. And you can get a tax-inclusive or a tax-exclusive version of the plan. That just means if the taxes are included or not. So if you're offered that option when you contact T-Mobile, that's what the difference is. So again, we do not know how long the postpaid 100 gigabyte for $50 per month plan will be around. We have seen the prepaids discontinued without any heads up or warning last week. So if you want this plan in your mobile internet arsenal, go get it. These videos are brought to you by our premium members, our mobile internet aficionados. They make it possible for us to track this news and create these videos. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, or better yet, consider becoming a member yourself.